Hey guys, welcome back to the fifth installment of our WordPress tutorial series. Um, Today we're going to create some pages for our site. I'm going to use the same pages as the client had on the previous website. So we're looking at a products, which is a image gallery. Specials, he's just got a table with whatever specials he's running at the moment. And he didn't have a contact us page because of the little contact us widget, but I think we're going to build a contact us page so we can build a contact form and put a Google map on there. So let's get started. Let's go back to our dashboard. Let's go to pages, all pages. Now we've got a sample page here. Now we've got two options. We can actually use the sample page by just going quick edit. We'll change the title. Let's make that the products page. Let's change the slug products. Now the slug is for SEO purposes. It's for the Google spiders. It's just to give you a description of the page. Slugs, you can't have more than one word, so if you need more than one word, just hyphenate them. Other than that, everything lowercase, and that should be perfect for a slug. All we need to do now, go update, and the page name has been changed to products. So just click on products, and it opens. Let's just dismiss this warning. It opens the sample page. Now we go back to our website. Let me just update that quickly. We go back to our website, just refresh. You see that the sample page was changed to products. If we click on that, it brings up our products page. I'm going to show you how to edit the page and change it so that the sidebar is not there, because we won't be using that at the moment. So let's just go back to our home page. At this point, our menu hasn't been built, so I'm going to have to use our logo at the top as the home button. Let's just go back to our pages. I'm going to add a new page from the top. That's your one way of doing it, or we can just go pages, add new. We'll enter our title. Second page, we're going to call specials. It's content here, placeholder. Instead of using the default template on this page, I'm going to choose blog. Let's say publish. Let's go back to our website, refresh. You'll see the second page there. It's called specials. Click on that. And there we go. Second page has been built. I'm going to add a new page. Third page, going to be contact us. I'm going to leave the same default template. Just going to go publish. Now on most of our pages, we'll have, I don't actually see that, but mostly it brings up comments and discussion. So what we need to do is you go to screen options, you choose discussions, and then at the bottom here, we're going to disallow comments and we're going to disallow the trackbacks and pings on this page. So update. We'll go back to pages, all pages. We just need to change those options for all of our pages. So we're going to products. I'm going to leave this on the default template. I'm just going to take the comments and trackbacks off. Update. Going back to all pages. And the same on specials. Specials, I'm going to change back to the default template. We'll have to manually remove the sidebar, but we'll do that in a moment. And we're just going to go allow comments and allow trackbacks and update. Perfect. So let's just go back to our website, refresh. Got our pages at the top, but our pages are all mucked up. It's not in any specific order. I actually think it's in alphabetical order. We need to change this. So we need to go create our own menu. Let's go back to our dashboard, appearance, click on menus. Let's add menu name. Let's choose a menu name that makes a bit more sense. So we're going to call this main underscore menu. Click on create menu. Now the menu, the order for the items, we're just going to move this around. we're going to put products second, specials third, and contact us in the third position. Just tick the box that says theme location. The menu will appear in the header. Just make sure that is ticked. Choose save. We go back to our website, refresh. See, we've got home, products, specials, contact us. So we can go to our specials page. Now we can click on home, which goes back to our landing page. Products, specials, contact us. Perfect. Now I want to remove the sidebar. We'll do that by going into, again, our editor. We need to look for page template. I'm going to do a search. So you just press Ctrl F on your keyboard. It opens the search bar at the top. And I'm going to look for sidebar. So we've got code here that says PHP get sidebar. I am just going to comment this out. I'm going to update the file. I'm going to go back to my website. I'm going to press F5. Go to home, products. See, so we've effectively removed the sidebar. I just want to inspect the element. So we need to look at our width. Our width is 100%. Let's just open this. The wrapper posts. See, our post width is only 634 pixels. Let's just change. I want to change this to 100%. Perfect. And that takes to the full page width. So obviously we need to copy this line of code. Go back to our custom CSS and just place that in the bottom. And we'll update our CSS. Just go back, refresh the page to make sure that the changes were reflected. And that's perfect. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm just going through everything, making sure that everything's in place. Okay, next we're going to look at the menu CSS. I'm not very happy with how the buttons are working, so we'll right click on it, inspect element. We'll go color. I want it to be black. Text decoration none is fine. Color, display block, that's all perfect. Border, I do not want this border. I'm just going to remove the tick so we don't have the border. We're going to go font size, colon. Let's just check by putting 16 pixels. Still a little small, so we're just going to push the up arrow until we get the size that we want. I think 18 is good for our site. And then we just copy this block of code from the curly brace to navigation list item. Copy. Go to our CSS. Paste it. 4 spaces. I'm just going to press tab once. I'm going to remove this commented block of code or line of code. That's the border that we removed. And that's perfect. I don't know, it's still pulling the border through from our normal, from the template style sheet. So we'll just copy that line of code. We go into our CSS, we just paste it in there. Then we remove the border by saying none, and we click update the custom CSS, and when we refresh it, our borders should be gone. Now, as you can see, there is a hover applied to the menu items. Sorry guys, I need to click that. There we go. Basically, let's just go back to, we'll use the same shortcut as earlier. We'll just copy the block of code, paste it. We'll use hover. Excuse me. Go update custom CSS. Again, same thing. Copy and paste that same block of code. Put colon. And that we'll put active. In the active, we'll change the background to black, and let's check the color on white. We'll check the results. We'll just update custom. I'm thinking we should change the active to the hover. Let's have another look. I just want to see if we change the line height to, I think this is about 50 pixels. Padding should be 0 pixels. I wasn't happy with those changes. Let's go back. Let's maybe change the height 100 pixels. Okay guys, I'm just gonna refresh my page again. I believe we're just gonna leave it as is. I'm actually gonna remove the hover, and the hover is going to become the active. And the new hover, I'm going to leave background color and just change the text color to white. Let's have a look at that. I'll refresh it. See if we hover over it, text becomes white. If we click it, there's a little black click. Perfect. I'm quite happy with that. On the page, we've got an element that is in blue. I'm not certain that that fits in with the feel of the website. So let's go inspect element. Let's just see how that would look in a black. With a white title. I actually quite like that, so let's do that. Just go inspect element, copy this block of code, we'll paste it in our custom CSS. Just want to tab everything across, update our custom CSS, and then refresh our page. Perfect. I think that looks quite nice. Go back to home, products, specials, contact us. Let's just add dummy text into contact us. Just say content here, update There we are. Perfect. So in this video, guys, we basically we covered creating a menu, creating our pages. In the next video, we're going to be populating the pages. It's going to be quite a long video because we're going to be looking at a gallery for the products page. I'll look at building a table for the specials page, and then building a contact form. I think this might fall in the next video, but building a contact form for the contact us page with a Google map for driving directions. Yeah, that should be it. Guys, if you feel that the video helped at all, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.